Hey guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. So today I have this ECU. This is for Toyota 110. These are 5A. So had an issue and could not start. And after troubleshooting and fixing, we are now and the car is running fine. So in case you need such service on ECU programming, tuning, you can reach out to us and we will sort it. So the car is running well, very fine, and client I'm sure is very pleased on this. So for such service, remember to contact us. We do also crossed keys programming and crash data programming. My number is on the bio. Thank you.